Welcome to our podcast episode on Black Mountain College and the influential poets associated with it. Today, we'll explore this unique educational experiment and its impact on American poetry. Black Mountain College, nestled in the mountains of North Carolina, operated from 1933 to 1956-14. Despite its short lifespan and small student body, it became a legendary institution in art education and practice too. The college emphasized creative arts alongside technical and analytical skills, believing this combination was crucial for human understanding. It attracted an impressive roster of faculty and students who would go on to shape 20th century art and literature to fore. Among the notable figures associated with Black Mountain were poets Robert Creeley, Robert Duncan, Denise Levertov, and Charles Olson. These poets, despite their diverse styles, shared creative philosophies that came to be known as projective verse too. Charles Olson, who taught at the college from 1948 to 1956 and served as its last rector, coined the term projective verse in 1950. This approach focused on process over product, drawing inspiration from objectivists and modernists. It encouraged poets to remove their subjectivity and directly project the energy of their work to the reader, too. Robert Creeley, both a student and teacher at Black Mountain, became highly influential, especially as editor of the Black Mountain Review. His work, like Olson's, embodied projective verse principles, though Creeley's style was more compressed too. Duncan and Levertov, while not permanent fixtures at the college, became prominent projectivist figures. Their friendship and eventual artistic divergence highlight the diversity within the movement too. The projectivist approach lent itself well to open long-form poetry, exemplified in works like Olson's Maximus poems, Creeley's pieces, and Duncan's structure of rhyme and passages too. Black Mountain College's legacy lives on through the work of these poets and the countless artists it influenced during its brief but impactful existence.